Yeah.
Gotta get my fuel injectors clean, man. One of my O-rings is bad. This they little pricing thing, service and the pricing. They got the next day, they got the special delivery, fast order, and they got the regular standard shipping. They clean it, put your new O-rings and everything, flow you up real good. Everything looking right. Oh shit, what the hell? Killer, come on now. I don't want no problems. I'm telling you. Didn't I say I don't want no problems, man? None. Alright. Man, this is nice. Okay, they got these machines. Which machine is this, man? This is a test.
GEI injectors. This one's for the normal gas injectors.
Okay. GEI, this the normal injector. We got the injector man back here. How you doing, sir?
Good, man. How about yourself?
I'm doing pretty good. I got this here for my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. They gonna know y'all all over the world, man. This will be cleaning injectors. We out here in H-Town, Houston. You know what I'm saying? They getting it done. This for the standard injectors, most of the LS motors and oh, this everything? Oh, this one do all the injectors. This one the same?
We're able to make them work. It just depends on which machine it's mounted. Like, see, this is where we just flow test, and then this is you set up the bench to the box specific on what injector it is. So this is like the piezo style injectors for the BMWs and Mercedes.
Oh, okay.
This one's right here.
What's this?
That's like
Man, what is this?
That's the BMW injectors. Piezo style.
What?
That's a whole 30.
They got injectors this big?
They expensive as shit too.
What that go in, like an AMG?
No, those are just like that. Any of the new BMWs, man. 2 Series, 3 Series.
Dang. Well, see, I ain't know that. I ain't never messed with no BMW.
VTEC injectors, marine injectors for boat motors.
Boat motors, okay. I ain't never seen a boat motor injector. It do look funny. Oh, it's injecting out of there. Okay. What's this?
Goes from the bench, goes from the triggerman.
Oh, so it's clicking them at the same time, making sure it's pushing the fluid through.
Yes, sir. Then we basically take it off there, flow test them, make sure they're all good, and once we see their flow test evenly, this is in for cars. This is a Yamaha HPDI fuel pump. That's for
Yamaha.
boats.
Oh, that's for boats?
Yeah, it's like a fuel pump. This is just one specific fuel pump we work on for boats.
Oh, okay.
So little side hustle.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Man, they doing fuel pump state there. Man, he out here doing. What's your name, mister?
My name's Nick.
All right, we got Nick in the building, y'all. That's the same name as my mechanic, man, at Modern Speedway. We got Nick in the building, getting everything done, man. They got injectors and everything. What's going down in here, y'all? How long y'all been in business for?
12 years.
12 years?
12 years. We moved here last
You like your new location?
Oh yeah, it's a little different, man. We were in a performance shop before, but now it's the storefront's a little different. We used to be part of a performance shop.
Okay, what was the performance y'all was with?
Engine Logics, but the owner retired.
Oh, the owner retired.
He got retired, man, and didn't find anybody he wanted to sell to, so he just settled up shop, and he's living the retired life now, man.
What part of town was he in?
Right down the road.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, they've been in business 12 years, y'all. They know what they doing. I'm pretty sure they done seen every injector from when they first started, probably throttle body.
We do Civics, we do Ferraris, we do Lamborghini, we do anything that runs on gasoline.
And E85 too?
E85 all day. E85 keeps me in business, man.
Oh, because they be messing up the O-rings, right?
Yes, sir.
The E85 eat through the O-ring, and you got to call the injector. So anybody that's watching, and y'all got a car, it broke down, had E85 in the tank, you put it together, and you ain't had the money for about 6 months, and you finna put it back together, don't pull your injectors out, because we already know that the E85 done ate up all the O-rings on them. So go ahead and send them up here to Injector RX. They know what they doing, been in business 12 years. They out here in Houston. They got next day service. We can get you next day, standard shipping, however you want it, FedEx and all that. They got all the big machines. Gonna make sure you're right, let you know if you got one bad, everything. So it's going down. Oh snap, look at Killer over there, man. He got his stuff spread out and everything. Okay, so and they say if the injector bad, you don't get charged for it. They only charge for cleaning good injectors.
Yes, sir.
So y'all stay on the lookout, man. It's going down. Look out. They say pretty much how to read this. All that was passing. Spray pattern, it was fire. But yeah, I guess it wasn't falling out that much. Yeah, it wasn't falling. But these what they basically made better. These how off it was. Change per injector. This one was the worst one. Number 2. It's supposed to be flowing. You were 5.26% off. This here, this E85 had an argument. He thought that it ain't E85. Go on, show me that tester, man. We tested it. They swear to God, I didn't put pump gas in it. Y'all, look at this. Look. Now, do you believe that I got that out the pump? Cause I'm telling you that's where I got it from. But he wanna say that since it's at 74%, 74, however I need to hold it. Since it's at 74%, he feel like that ain't E out the pump, and I done mixed it with some 93. Ain't no way you can mix no E with 93 and still come up with 75%. I don't think. It ain't get 75, y'all drug it all the way down in the 60s. And I don't even know how much they had, but I had a full tank of E85. I only go to 2 gas stations, Racetrack and Quick Trip. And pretty much this is, you gotta put like a little bit of water to that line, and then fill it over E85, and then you shake it up like that. And then they're supposed to give you the right percentage. See that line drop it down? There you go. Oh, come on, baby, don't drop down so far. Hey, it look like it went lower than I had. I done shook the octane out this one. But anyway. I done shook the, hey man, we're gonna, somebody that's in Dallas, Texas, let me know where the better one is where I can get some E85 at. I'll be going to the one on Shiloh and the Walmart on Northwest Highway, and apparently it ain't doing a good job. But we still over here working, trying to get everything. Boy, I got some fittings on here. Now we just missing the injector clips. We almost got everything together, and we don't know where the injector clips is. Let me see. I don't see nothing. Dang. Where they at, man? Injector clippy. All right, y'all. We finna see if I can fire them things, man. Just like that. Ask me. In there.
Get in there. This motherfucker put them in like this. Be like, if I fuck them up, I can pay for them from the police.
Yeah.
I don't recommend that.
We don't recommend this, y'all. But we tired of this shit. Little piece right here. Just giving us a little hard time.
Man, come on, cut that off real quick.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.